So I know a lot of people are probably entirely over the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found release, but I'm here to tell you guys that there's going to be another chance to attain the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and we're going to talk about it in today's video. Watch the entire thing. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pop into the videos. Come chop it over me down below in the comment section. And right now, before we get any further, hit that like button right now, because we bring you guys some good information. It's little bits and pieces that can definitely help you out and attain the Air Jordan Lost and Founds on this restock that Nike is going to be doing. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I drop videos like this all the time where I talk about sneaker rumors, shock drop, restocks, all that good stuff. I try to help everybody out. So subscribe right now and make sure you're following my Twitter, because if you follow me on Twitter already, you know exactly what we're talking about right now in today's video. So here we have them, the sneaker of the year for 2022, the shoe that broke the internet, the shoe that broke the Nike sneakers, that shoe that made resellers hit a lot of us sneakerheads over the head when trying to get a pair of these joints. They will be restocking. And I know you guys probably hear me say when they're restocking, like, yo, when are they going to happen? There is no exact date yet, but here's the catch. There's a couple things I can already help you guys, you know what I'm saying, put you up on game right now. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds will be restocking on the Nike sneakers app. Now, it's a huge rumor right now, but I'm telling y'all, when you get these reliable sources that's always piecing two and two together, that got connects inside of Nike, that's when we come up on here to talk about it. And there's gonna be a lot of people down below in the comment section that knows exactly what I'm talking about now. I know some people are like, yo, why are you dropping this video? You helping everybody out. I want to get pairs. Kind of selfish of you if you're thinking like that. I'm trying to help everybody out. I already have a pair, so I would not be trying to go for another pair, but I'm trying to help you guys out that took L's, that don't want to spend the $400 or $500 on a sneaker. Just know that these will be restocking on the Nike sneaker app, rumor has it. And I gotta say rumor has it because it's nothing that's saying Nike is doing it. Like, Nike ain't putting out a tweet, or Nike's not putting out an IG post saying these are restocking. These are people that have some good sources connected to Nike. They can't say no names, that are saying like, yo, these will be restocking on Nike sneakers app. There's just no confirmed date, but you guys know usually when there is like crazy restocks, it always happens around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm pretty sure when we get closer to the actual time when they're dropping, I don't know if it's gonna be this upcoming week, I don't know if it's gonna be next week, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be before that All-Star weekend, just because there's so many other sneakers dropping that weekend. And you got to think, it's not a lot of stuff dropping this month. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing this restock happening sooner than we expect. You guys already know it was like 500-some thousand pairs produced. And everybody was like, yo, where did the pairs go? But you guys know, man, it was botted out. Everybody wanted the sneaker. The demand was crazy for these right here. So that's what pushed the Nike sneakers app to crash. That's what pushed everybody to be upset after the release. Even me myself, I was salty as hell when I had to pay resale for these, but I knew myself, I always wanted a pair of Chicago's, and Lost and Founds a close thing to it. It's the Chicago Lost and Founds. Of course, you got the crackle leather, the aged look, the worn out outsole. These right here, I knew I was grabbing them, so I had to spend that resale price. Sometimes you got to do what you have to do. But now we're given another opportunity to try to grab these. Like I said, the Nike sneakers app, I'm gonna keep saying it over and over. Nike sneakers app, rumor has it, this shock drop or this restock. Let me just say restock, because the only reason I'm saying shock drop because there's no confirmed date and time yet. But when they get closer to it, I'm already putting y'all on game now. Y'all gonna hear about it. I'm telling y'all, they're gonna be restocking on the Nike sneakers app. I'm not saying it's gonna be a 100% guarantee that you're gonna get the sneaker. Maybe they will drop it at a random time, a random date, and nobody knows, and we get that quick tweet from, you know, J23, Sneaker Leaker, Z Sneakerheads. When we get those tweets from those people, then we hop onto the site, the Nike sneakers app, and try to get a pair. But hopefully it's a fair chance. Hopefully Nike, you know, helps us out. Like, it was a lot of people that took L's, and it was just a terrible release. Right now, if you check StockX, Go, eBay, wherever you want, a lot of these pairs are going for $400 or $500 plus, which is it's crazy. It's OD. I didn't think that it would get that high in the resale market just because there were so many pairs. But you gotta think, man, the demand killed what was actually on hand for Nike. So that's why these crazy prices are happening right now on the Lost and Found Chicago's. Now, if there's not even a decent amount of pairs to restock, I don't see the price going down as far as resale value. I think it's just going to continue to stay the same or even go up. But after this, I think this is like the last time for us to get a pair for retail. That's just my honest opinion. Of course, you might have a couple of the restocks, or you might find a couple pairs of Nike outlets. I doubt it. Some people do return sneakers. You'll be surprised. And you might see some floating around grand openings of sneaker stores around the world near you. But when I got the news, I had to come up on YouTube, talk to you guys about it, just to put y'all on game before everybody and their mama knows. The Vintage Squad, just know that I told y'all about the restock that's going to be happening for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. These things are so beautiful. I would love to double up. I got a pair, so I'm not going to be too greedy. I'm just going to keep these. Had a pair resale, which sucks. But yeah, man, good luck to everybody. When it gets closer to the actual drop time, the restock time, I'm going to let you guys know the exact date, the exact time, but it's usually 10 or 11 Eastern Standard Time, and I know it's going to be happening sometime this month. It just only makes sense. That's just my personal prediction, but rumor has it this restock will be happening very, very soon. No exact date, no exact time, but just know it's going to be coming, a restock for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Make sure you subscribe right now, especially if you want to see more videos like this where I'm talking about rumors, about shock drops, restocks, all that good stuff. And of course, I'm hitting you guys some more early looks, some early visuals. We already have the Air Jordan 5 UNCs live on the channel, playoff 13s, and we have the Air Jordan 12 I'm on my years, and we have a couple more packages on the way. So stay tuned for all that by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Go for every single video is 500 likes, but I know you're gonna go crazy with this one about this rumor. You guys let me know what you know about it. I know somebody out there that's watching this video, they're like, yo, hold on, how did he know about this? But follow my Twitter right now. It's super important for you guys to be following it. That's where I can retweet super quick, share this information with you guys and snap of a finger, and better your chance on hitting on these pairs for retail. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm put a quick little on feet of the Lost and Found Chicago's at the end. I'm excited for y'all. Hopefully y'all get a pair. Crazy news, breaking news. Catch you guys next video, man. Peace.